How to create Instagram account without phone number. So if you want to create Instagram account without phone number, then first of all open up your Instagram application, and then you can go for create new account, which is on the bottom, and you have to enter your full name and then tap on next, and here you have to create a password. Create a strong password and then tap on next. And if you want to save your login info, then you can simply tap on save, and then you have to enter your date of birth, and after entering that, tap on set and then next, and it will automatically create your username. But if you don't like this username, then you can simply remove that, and then you can add another username of your choice, and then tap on next. And here it is asking for your mobile number, right? So if you don't want to create your account with your mobile number, you can simply go for the second option, which is on the bottom, which says sign up with email address. So if you don't want to enter your mobile number, you have to enter your email address. Choose the email address option and then enter your email address, and then tap on next. And now tap on I agree. And if you want to add a picture or your profile picture, then you can add it from here, or you can also skip that part. And that's it. That's how you create your Instagram account without using your mobile number. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.